Hi, this is Alex from Beech Hill Garage. On offer we've got this 1972 MGB GT, finished in most attractive shade of red. Car has been completely overhauled, new sills, doors, paint, complete repaint, glass out, complete interior strip. As you can see, the result is most impressive. Car's been restored to standard factory specification, so unusual for a B of this age. Everything is as it would have been when it left the factory. The result is most impressive. So look in the interior. Interior has been reupholstered, new carpets, the correct 2-year only cloth insert into the vinyl, which makes them just that little bit more comfortable. All the gaps are pretty good. New tyres all round, the wheels have been refurbished, all chrome work is good. It's had some nice period number plates fitted. Car comes with quite a lot of history, including all the bills for recent expenditure. Overall, a really nice, tidy example. If you have any questions at all, please get in contact with us at Beech Hill Garage. Thanks for watching.